Good morning everyone. आज मंडे नवंबर 2 है और जॉब साइट की तरफ जा रहा हूँ। आज कर्ब्स की बैकफिल होनी है और हमारा जो फोर्स मेन है वो टाई इन होगा 59 पे। फोर्स मेन आपको बताऊंगा कि दैट्स फॉर सूअर, जो कि पीछे हमारी कम्युनिटी एक्चुअली इज लोअर देन द रोड, सो वी हैव टू basically pump the sewer up to the main road, and then वहाँ से then it'll be gravity fed to the township sewer system. So वो हमने पाइप एक्चुअली कर दिए है ड्रिल underneath the roads and underneath the lots that were in our way. वो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा कहाँ कहाँ पे वो लगा हुआ है। लेकिन आज जौन साहब वो काफ़ी अरसे से कॉन्ट्रैक्टर के पीछे लगा हुआ था, तो जो मेन टाई इन है एट द मेन होल एट 59 वो आज टाई इन होगा, तो आपको वो भी दिखाएंगे। और फिर जो हमारा बैकफिल हो रहा है बिहाइंड द कर्व्स वो भी मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा। चलें चलते हैं। तो मैं देखना चाह रहा था ये कैसे इसको डोज़र को कर्ब जंप कराएंगे। तो इन्होंने टायर रखी हैं।
Watch my tracks.
तो ये उसको डोज़र को जंप कराने की कोशिश कर रहे थे खाली टायर रख के। तो मैंने उनको कहा कि भी आगे मिट्टी डालो ताकि जो है वो ख़राब नहीं हो कर्ब। तो अब वो मिट्टी डाल रहे हैं। तो हमने मेन होल की डिगिंग शुरू कर दी है। मशीन का वेट कर रहे थे थोड़ी देर। सो ऑलरेडी आप देख सकते हैं इधर इन्होंने सॉ कट किया है और अब मशीन जो सी है वो इट्स गोना स्टार्ट डिगिंग एंड रिमूविंग द एशफॉल्ट। उसके बाद ये वाला जो पाइप आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे, that is what we're connecting into that manhole right there. चलने चल के पीछे देखते हैं हमारी बैकफिल कैसी हो रही है. दैट ऑपरेशन इज आल्सो गोइंग ऑन, सो उसको जाके चेक करके आते हैं, अगर फिर वापस आके इसको देखते हैं ये फिर पहुँचे. सो पीछे एक्चुअली ही हैज़ बैकफिल्ड, लुक्स लाइक निकल रहा है वहाँ से. सो उसने मेजॉरिटी जो है वो बैकफिल कर दिया है. So ये कर्ब उसने मिट्टी पुश करके इसके पीछे लगा दी है. Again, the whole point is कि जब वो सड़क यहाँ पे बना रहे होंगे तो this curb doesn't move क्योंकि it's just sitting on top of the stone. So you wanna reinforce it back there ताकि it doesn't move while they're paving the road. चलिए वापस चलते हैं, देखते हैं उधर sanitary का क्या चल रहा है क्योंकि they're gonna start coring and so I want to see that action right there. तो आप देख सकते हैं उधर एक पाइप है पानी का, उनका फोर्स मेन का एक्चुअली, और यहाँ पे पानी का है. तो काउंटी ने उनको कहा है कि जी वी हैव टू गो अंडरनीथ दैट, so we have to take even further below to connect to the main. अब उसको और डीप कर रहे हैं क्योंकि एक्सकेवेटर जो है वो उतना नीचे जा नहीं सकता. They have a small excavator here today, so they're having a couple of problems. Just trying to figure out where to go into the main structure, just because there are a couple of more pipes that they're having to navigate that the county wants. So. And they want to be careful. There's a bunch of utilities running. They're saying there's another gas line right there, so they're gonna wait for the truck, the vac truck, to go dump. So we're going on the lot here to do that and get that lot, get the vac truck emptied, and then they'll start working on more of this. So we'll go in and watch the vac truck get emptied out. So they're gonna empty out this truck that they filled with this dirt. So they're saying it's one of the dirtiest jobs around. So I wanted to record it and see how it really works. It'd be kind of cool to see.
they're starting to do the core into the main. So he's setting up his drill machine right now.
See that impact, please?
Yeah. So that's the link seal that's
Yes.
gonna go on.
Yeah, no, you're good. Just there'll be there's like a sign that says go sometimes. You just drive through the gate and sort of like you'll see it. It'll like sort of back a couple times the driveway does. You go back and you look in your right hand side, you'll see like a pile of brush, and then there's another driveway going back into the property. You just back up as far as you go there. Okay. All right, buddy. Thank you. Yep. All right. He's all set. Yeah, I said, did you get a pen? He's like, no. I said, me and the guy looked at it, and I was like, I'm in the beer. I was like, oh, geez. I was like, well, you're about 45 minutes all the way from me. He goes, yeah. I said, I'm a big fan. I said,
Got it backwards. Go ahead and just
Is
set
that
it
backwards?
down.
Oh yeah, it needs to come
He
from
wants
the
the
side.
bolts
Yeah.
other way.
Honestly, it wouldn't matter,
It shouldn't.
right? I mean, you
Shouldn't.
have to dig it up. But
Okay, that should be good for that for right now. I gotta get that fitting on this so you can set. Measure that thing. Yeah, it's gonna have to go on all the way.
ready for our next project.
Yeah, man. Once I can start getting, the bank keeps calling me.
You are the bank.
Well, they're calling me because they want me to take the money. I haven't taken it yet.
Oh, really?
Oh man, she calls me every week.
Really?
Yeah.
We're gonna need that other rubber. It doesn't have one.
Okay.
Just goes to the end. All it does.
Alan, you got your light.
Oops.
Oh.
I hate working with those.
Yeah, you never get that stuff off on those.
Is that glue or is that just like a slide?
Yeah. Well, yeah. So, he attracts the Smurfs that way.
Smurf is. Alright. Come on down here, Shane.
You the oldest?
Yeah. So, take it back a little bit.
This?
Yeah. It should go back a little bit. Alright. Now we need bolts. I got it.
Yep.
You can move it out a little bit if you want.
I will once I get this coupler on.
Okay.
Too short?
Yep.
Stick that chunk of concrete over here. Lift up on that. No, the pipe. Alright, so don't move. I have to look at different kit. Probably a 8-inch kit. They're longer bolts. Yeah. Yeah, I'll get the impact.
Probably one more.
Yeah, just for this one. Those will work for that one.
Alright, we'll grab a pack of those.
Grab the impact.
So they're going into the main, and they put a ductile iron. So that's iron. This is plastic, and then they're making a connection, and then the link seal will actually seal the pipes.
Well, how's it look, fellas? Looks like a hole? Looks like a hole. Inside of a manhole? Yep. It's, they got down low enough, they don't have to go down every time. Yeah. You want it to, oh, this is the end. Or you don't want it, like, cut back so we can put a radius in there?
I don't know if we have layers. Is there 12 inch?
Yeah. Are they asphalt or gravel? You're making steel. Well, yeah. Gravel, we just. Yeah, and then nobody takes it.
Hey, I need
Gravel, I mean.
10-inch bolt kits on top of your 12-inch bolt kit.
Yeah, so you want put something right into it.
That'll work.
That work? Okay, never mind. I think we got it. The fact that the station's lower than the drive. We should be good. 10 or 12 inch.
just leave the bolts. I think it should be okay. This force main.
Yeah. Right to now.
Is it gonna work?
Yeah, no, I'm seeing it over
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah.
There we are. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, if I get it from the trunk here, 4 bolts. Yeah, just the bolts and nuts. That's it. Yeah, send it to them. Alright, as soon as possible. In the end, you got a seat clamp, maybe?
Yeah.
Maybe, no, I don't have any seat clamps.
Yeah, we're good. So. Alright, thanks, bye.
Alright, let's jump on that a little bit. We'll see if we can get this in more well. You want to put it elsewhere?
Yo. What's up, buddy? Trying to bolt this force main together.
You look like you're not working hard enough. You got big coat, big gloves on, hat.
I'm always just standing, so I get cold.
It's always
We try to tell them once it's all high vis, but you can't get like a good heavy Carhartt jacket that's high vis.
Yeah.
Well, they won't let us buy the jacket.
At least.
We're like, what you don't understand. We're not the ones down there throwing
Not even-
wrenches.
not even
We're
waist
the ones
grips?
staying here going,
Yeah, it's like you get cold. You
oh
stand.
yeah.
So-
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That's a weird makes sense, I guess. Move that back.
So we had to dig this up where this was replaced.
Yeah.
We had to dig it up like feet down and then dig it all this up. We took this up,
Oh yeah.
dug it all up. Hungry how easy that was.
Lift up on it.
You said that to me yesterday. Well, not really, Scott. Should you be pulling that tall stuff right there, too?
That's what I want to do, yeah.
We're going to go get skid steer.
Well, I need to talk to Quigley and find out. They're supposed to be out last week.
Well, I'm gonna continue on my way, guys.
Alrighty.
Stop it and check it. People watching.
Wait no more.
Dave. Okay. You want me to tell him anything for you? Have him over coffee or something?
They already brought coffee and donuts over there. They do every day at 9. You got to be there at 9.
Would have been nice if they would be right through here.
We'll have to swap them out probably. Yeah. It's just not my friends. That's what happened. Makes everybody
They ran the actual line on Saturday.
He doesn't have them. I'll have them all. Yeah, run to Ferguson there.
And then Justin was out here.
Do they have to come out outside of the hole? I mean, for me, I just like it to be it's pressure, so I'd hate to see a little part. Yeah, be a shitty situation.
You want to go get my prints?
You know where they're at? Huh?
What is this thing called? The connection. That's a sleeve.
Solid sleeve.
Just a solid sleeve.
20 ounces?
What is that? What does that bolt do? The corner one?
Locker.
He just locks it?
Locks it in.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. We gotta go inside and shove that boot.
Yeah, alright, fine. He's on the pier, I guess. So now we're putting a tracer wire in. If you need to track this black pipe, they wrapped it all around and it runs the length of the whole force main. So if you ever need to, dig it up again, they'll be able to put up a connector to it and then find the pipe. So now they're installing the link seal inside the manhole. So
I can't really see. Yeah, the steps are kind of in the way.
So right now Leon's inside and putting this link seal in.
guy doing one right now.
Once he's already got it through, just has to now tighten the bolts.
He's like, really? I was like, yeah. I was like, he's fast. He's a little dude. So.
Alright, so this force main is complete now. They just poured concrete to hold it in place. That's a requirement by the county that they wanted us to do. So that's all done. Now we're getting ready to backfill this big hole. अभी आपको दिखाते हैं इसको जो सा वो सारा using that machine. We'll start backfilling and then close up this project here with the force main. It's been a long time coming, so I'm glad it's finally done.
Hey guys, so they're as you can see, they're backfilling the hole. We're gonna get it compacted, and then tomorrow we will have stone coming in to then complete the path and get this hole completed. We'll have to get all the landscaping put together for this Hungry Howie's here. So they were kind enough to let us do this. But again, we're gonna have to get all this sorted out. So anyway, I'll show you once the compactor shows up and he starts compacting, so you guys can see how the compactor is gonna go as well. तो आप देख सकते हैं अब होल काफ़ी तरह भर चुका है, but now we're going to compact it. आज का दिन जी इख्तिताम को आया। काफ़ी लंबा दिन हो गया था, ऑलमोस्ट 6:30 हो रहे हैं और वी वर एबल टू पुट एवरीथिंग बैक टुगेदर। जो छोटी मोटी चीज़ें रह गई थी वो भी हमने एक्चुअली साइड वॉक को थोड़ा सा और डैमेज किया था। दैन मैंने उनसे उसको सीधा करवाया कटवा के, ताकि कल एक्चुअली वहाँ पे स्टोनिंग होगी और देन दे विल फिक्स द साइड वॉक एज वेल। सो कल अब देखेंगे बाकी सड़क की जो है वो स्टोनिंग आने वाली है। सो नेक्स्ट 2 days दे विल ऐड अनदर 4 inches ऑफ स्टोन एंड देन फ्राइडे को जो है हमारा एशफॉल्ट डलेगी। सो it will kind of bring the whole development together. So it was a really busy day. आज काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें Mixed County was there. These guys did a good job putting it together, and we passed all the inspections. County का अपना जो है वो बंदे आती हैं और जो city के थे वो अपने थे। So they were all satisfied with everything. चलें जी, दुआ में याद रखिएगा और like, share and subscribe. If you could comment, I would really appreciate it. Okay जी, Allah Hafiz.